to see if
Yeah, we already ate.
it's got a KU tag on the front. It's Mike and Hiller's.
Don't touch my car.
No, it says Callie.
What?
Must be your car. What do you think?
Don't be silly.
Is this where we go? We all chipped in, Callie.
Yeah, everybody chipped in.
You like it? We've had it for 3 weeks.
You didn't know Grandpa and I were going to get your car. It's beautiful.
It's very pretty, isn't it? You better check it out. Oh my god. It's not as cool as my car, Callie.
Dad, do you want me to keep?
No, you can stop now.